Terminator X version 3 software. This is where you get it. Go to Google. Type in Holley. Right here is Holley. Go to support, right here. We're talking fuel injection, Terminator X and X Max. Go down here, Terminator X V3 build. This is what we want here. This is the latest build right here. It went up here into, right here it is, went up where this arrow is here, Terminator X. Let's just close out. We could open it from there, but let's go down here and click on this folder, and it'll be in your downloads. Double click that. Little pop-up window. Looking good. Version 3. Next. Next. Nice to have a short an icon on your desktop there. It's up to you. Install. Yep. It'll be fine. Okay, now we came over there. Ready to install USB CAN drivers. You always want the drivers. Okay, you can launch it right here, or you can uncheck that. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. There you have it.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it.